my channel. This is me, Meiji. I'm back for today's video, guys. Of course, if I react like this, of course, if I energetic, you know already to whom I will be react. Guys, I will going to react again the one-off video of Demas Sinupate. The title of music is, I don't know, Heart Alone. Alone till now. Yun guys, but it's rainy, it's coming, and I cannot make a reaction. Alright guys, actually there is a 192k 5 days ago, but I did not see that one. Actually, I'm always waiting that if Demas is there is a new cover, but this time why I did not see it. Alright guys, this is new, it's 5 days ago. Alright guys, by the way, to all Indonesia, terima kasih, and also selamat datang to all Indonesia, and always I'm telling to you, all Indonesia, maatap. Alright, and ako sintang Indonesia. Alright, guys, if you are new to my channel, guys, don't forget to like and share and comment below, guys. Alright, we will listening and we will give also rank if this is good. I don't know if I make alone. Alone. I don't know. The notes, I don't know. The notes is until from here in Europe, from there in Indonesia. Alright. Guys, let's see and stay tuned. Alright, play and He's always perfect, guys. Actually, that's why he's my favorite artist. Alright, guys. By the way, we will give rank with him. You know, I have energy now because I hear the voice of Demas. Alright, guys. I will give 10. Of course, 10. You know, already. He's my favorite artist from Indonesia. He is always maatap. He's always maatap. Alright, guys. By the way, guys, I cannot say anything. Absolutely amazing and absolutely legendary. I think they must tell me the truth. What is this? What kind of what kind of your voice? I just tell bosses. What kind of voice that you have? Is all. I don't know where did you get that. Can you give me some piece of your voice? My God, ulala. Now I'm so energy right now. Oh my God. Because I hear you're alone. Alone till now. I open my... Yun ba yun? Guys, you know, actually, this is so difficult if you are singing this one. Mostly if you are a man. My God. You know, imagine. It's so fantastic. I don't know where he will get that voice. The way he's singing. You know, I don't know what they call that. Is here. But really, really, it's good job. Always, guys. If he make cover music, is always perfect and amazing. Wallahi. That's why he's always maatap. Really, really. I respect because, you know, I admire him because, you know, he's always nice and perfect voice. And also, right now, he did not play guitar, but, you know, he is action. He want to he want to play that guitar, but actually right now he don't have, he's only singing. But he mostly, if he's making singing, he's always playing guitar. But even without guitar, oh my God, wallah, is good. And thank you to you, Demas. I hope you like my reaction for today. And then I always waiting your new cover music. Alright, to all viewers, tarima kasi to everyone, and salamat dakang in my channel. And also ako Sinta Indonesia. Alright, guys, I'm always number one maatap. Alright, I'm from Philippines and I'm proud of all Indonesia. Thank you so much and I appreciate it. Guys, by the way, already done that our reaction. And see you my next reaction to Demas Sinupate. Alright, guys, if you are new to my channel, guys, don't forget to like and share and comment below, guys. Alright, and bye-bye and masalama. I love you all.